Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, Mr. Walid. Mr. Walid, I want to asking you about this Cherry 03. And now no problem about this one because I say he said this is a check engine, but no, this is a check engine. Okay, right? Oh. Now I will off and then I will on and then start. Look, don't miss the video. Okay? Oh, this is like a tools, but the computer is normal, all normals, no problem. Okay?